Hey there, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about one of the most challenging areas of the house to organize, the bathroom. Bathrooms can be notoriously cramped, but fear not. We have some tips and tricks to help you maximize your bathroom space. Tip hash 1, get rid of unnecessary items. The first step to maximizing your bathroom space is to declutter. Take a good, hard look at everything in your bathroom and get rid of anything that you don't use or need. This includes expired products, old towels, and makeup you don't wear anymore. Trust us, you'll be surprised by how much extra space you'll have once you've cleared out the clutter. Tip hash 2, use organizers. Next up, invest in some bathroom organizers. These can range from simple baskets and trays to more elaborate storage systems. Whatever you choose, make sure it fits in with the overall aesthetic of your bathroom and helps keep things organized. Use drawer dividers to keep your makeup and toiletries separated, and use a shower caddy to keep your shampoos and soaps off the floor. Tip hash 3, use the back of the door. One often overlooked space in the bathroom is the back of the door. This area is perfect for hanging towels, robes, or even a shoe organizer with pockets for extra storage. By using this space, you can free up valuable real estate on your bathroom walls and counters. Tip hash 4, get creative with your storage. Finally, get creative with your storage solutions. Use a ladder shelf to store towels and toiletries, or a floating shelf above the toilet for extra storage space. You can also use tension rods to hang baskets and shelves for added storage in small spaces. Conclusion: so there you have it, folks. With a little bit of decluttering and some creative storage solutions, you can maximize your bathroom space and make the most of every inch. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more home organization tips and tricks.